Passkey? Passkey is a general term for a password or key used for authentication. Here are some possible top 10 questions and answers related to passkeys. 1. What is a passkey? A passkey is a sequence of characters, usually a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols, that is used to authenticate and authorize access to a system, application, or device. 2. Why are passkeys important? Passkeys are important because they help protect sensitive information and prevent unauthorized access to it. By requiring a passkey, systems can ensure that only authorized users can access the information or resources they need. 3. How do I create a strong passkey? To create a strong passkey, you should use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and make it at least 8 to 12 characters long. Avoid using common words, phrases, or personal information that others might easily guess. 4. How often should I change my passkey? You should change your passkey periodically, ideally every few months or whenever you suspect it may have been compromised. This can help prevent others from accessing your account or information even if they have obtained your passkey. 5. What should I do if I forget my passkey? If you forget your passkey, you may be able to reset it by answering security questions, providing personal information, or using a recovery email or phone number. However, if you are unable to reset it, you may need to contact the system or application administrator for assistance. 6. Can passkeys be hacked? Yes, passkeys can be hacked or cracked if they are not strong enough or if they are stored insecurely. It is important to use strong passkeys and store them securely to minimize the risk of unauthorized access. 7. Should I use the same passkey for multiple accounts? No, you should avoid using the same passkey for multiple accounts. This is because if one account is compromised, all of the other accounts using the same passkey may also be at risk. 8. What is two-factor authentication? Two-factor authentication is a security measure that requires users to provide two types of authentication, such as a passkey and a biometric scan or a passkey and a one-time code, to access a system, application, or device. This provides an extra layer of security and helps prevent unauthorized access. 9. What is a password manager? A password manager is a software application that helps users generate, store, and manage their passkeys. It can also help generate strong and unique passkeys for each account and store them securely. 10. What is multi-factor authentication? Multi-factor authentication is a security measure that requires users to provide multiple types of authentication, such as a passkey, a biometric scan, and a one-time code, to access a system, application, or device. This provides an even higher level of security than two-factor authentication. Thanks for watching.